Hello and welcome back to the AKAVEIL Technologies YouTube channel. I'm Ariel, the CEO of AKAVEIL Technologies. Today we're talking about something no law firm wants to think about, but every firm must plan for: a data breach. For law firms, a data breach isn't just an IT problem, it's an existential threat. Your entire practice is built on a foundation of client trust and confidentiality. A breach can shatter that foundation, leading to financial ruin, regulatory penalties, and reputation that may never recover. Today, we're going to give you a clear step-by-step blueprint for what to do when the worst happens. We'll explore the critical actions to take in the first 60 minutes after a data breach is discovered, the team you need to assemble to manage the crisis effectively, the legal and ethical obligations for notification that you cannot afford to get wrong, and how to turn your incident response plan from a paper exercise into a genuine shield that protects your firm and your clients. My goal is to give you a clear path forward so you're never left guessing. Phase 1. The first 60 minutes. The fire drill. Imagine you've just gotten a frantic call. A staff member's email has been compromised, or a strange ransomware message has popped up on a computer. Panic is your enemy. You need to act immediately and with clear mind. Your first action is to contain the threat. Disconnect the compromised devices from your network. This is like putting a fire extinguisher on a small flame before it becomes an inferno. If it's an email account, force a password reset and disable the account. If it's a computer, pull the network cable. Do not just turn it off. The attacker could be active. Next, preserve evidence. Do not try to clean up the mess yourself. The compromised device needs to be isolated for forensic analysis. A complete log of everything that happened is required for any investigation and for your cybersecurity insurance claim. Finally, alert your key personnel. This is not a time for silence. You must immediately notify your designated incident response team. More on who should be on that team in a moment. Phase 2. Assembling your incident response team and data breach is not a one-person job. You need a pre-planned team with clear roles. The incident commander. This is typically a partner or managing attorney. They are a single point of contact and decision maker. Legal counsel. You need your own attorney who specializes in data privacy and breach response. Their advice is critical for navigating the legal obligations and ensuring your actions are protected by attorney-client privilege. IT and forensics team. This is where AKAVEIL Technologies comes in. You need a dedicated team that can immediately begin forensics analysis to determine the scope of the breach. What systems were accessed, what data was exfiltrated, and how the attacker got in. Communications lead. This person manages all internal and external communication. This is crucial for managing your firm's reputation. For estate planning firms, your data is particularly sensitive. It includes social security numbers, bank accounts, and details of wills. Your incident response team needs to understand the high stakes of this specific data. Phase 3. The notification and compliance maze. Once you've contained the breach and assessed the damage, you enter the legal and ethical maze of notification. This is not optional. Every state has different laws for notifying clients of data breach. For estate planning firms, especially complex as you hold highly personal information that, if exposed, can lead to devastating identity theft. Your incident response plan must include a step-by-step process for determining scope. You must know exactly what information was exposed. Was it a single client file or the entire database? Identifying affected parties. Which clients need to be notified? This is often a matter of a forensic analysis. Creating notification letters. The letter must contain specific details, including data that was exposed, what your firm is doing to fix it, and what steps clients can take to protect themselves. Working with regulators. In some cases, you may be required to notify state bar associations and government agencies. This is not a process you want to figure out on the fly. Having a pre-written plan and designated legal partner is non-negotiable. The AKAVEIL difference, turning a plan into a shield. A plan on paper is just a plan on paper. It has no value until it's tested and integrated into your firm's culture. This is exactly what AKAVEIL Technologies does. We specialize in helping law firms, especially boutique and estate planning firms, build a complete cyber resilience strategy. We don't just give you the template. We partner with you to develop a tailored plan. We work with you to create a plan that reflects the specific risks of your practice and the sensitive nature of your client's data. Conduct regular drills. We run mock data breach scenarios to test your plan and train your team, ensuring they know exactly what to do in case of a crisis. Provide an expert team. When a breach happens, you don't have to scramble. You have our team of experts on call, ready to perform forensic analysis and guide you through the crisis, ensuring you meet all your legal and insurance obligations. Don't wait for a data breach to expose the weaknesses in your firm's security. A proactive incident response plan is the best investment you can make in your firm's future and your client's trust. Ready to build your firm's blueprint for a data breach? Visit akaveil.com to book a free technology assessment. And if you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to the AKAVEIL Technologies YouTube channel for more insights on securing your legal practice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.